Ever sat in a school pickup line and realize you're in a rolling auto show? Brand new three-row SUVs, fresh temp tags, giant rims. You start wondering, is everyone here suddenly rich? But then you hear them. They're complaining about daycare, rent, and inflation. Everything is too expensive. The average payment is now $772. But 1 in 5 buyers is paying over $1,000 a month for a single car. In a two-car household, that's $24,000 a year. If you make $100,000, you're spending nearly 30% of your take-home pay on a depreciating asset that loses value the second it hits your driveway. That's not a flex, that's the middle-class trap. So how do lenders get you to sign for a $70,000 SUV on a $60,000 salary? Simple. They don't sell you the car. They sell you the payment. This is called loan term stretching. In the old days, a car loan was 36, maybe 48 months. Today, 84 months, 7 years. And this is where the trap really starts. Cars are depreciating assets. They lose about 20% of their value in the first year. So if you put zero down and take one of these long loans, the car's value drops faster than your loan balance, which means pretty quickly, you're underwater. You owe more than the car is actually worth. Then, 3 years later, you get bored of the car. You walk into the dealership, and they say, "No problem. We'll just roll that $8,000 you still owe into your new loan." So now you're paying interest on a car you don't even own anymore. This is how people end up with $1,200 payments for a Toyota Camry. Now let's talk about the part nobody shows you, the opportunity cost. If instead of sending $1,000 a month to a car, you invested it in a simple S&P 500 index fund starting at age 30, assuming a 7% return, in 30 years, you'd have over $1.1 million. So the real choice isn't new SUV versus old SUV. The real choice is new SUV or retiring a millionaire. And most people choose the SUV because they want to look wealthy today, which almost guarantees they'll be broke tomorrow. So how do you actually break the cycle? Put 20% down, finance for no more than 4 years, and keep total car costs under 10% of your income. Buy used. Let someone else eat the depreciation. And once your car is paid off, keep making the payment, but this time, pay yourself. Because the system is designed to make a luxury decision feel normal, not by making it affordable, but by making it financeable. It's a machine, and the longer you stay in it, the harder it is to get out. So next time you're in that pickup line and you feel behind, just remember, that $1,200 payment isn't a flex, it's a contract. And if you want to stop paying the dumb tax and start building real wealth, hit subscribe. We're pulling back the curtain on the real cost of everything. I'm Finn, and I'll see you in the next one.